tricycle is a free-wheeled vehicle. The concept combines in itself all the categories of vehicles which may have free wheels: cars, bikes, motorcycles, and so on. In turn, some of them are divided into separate categories. The word trike came to us in Russia from the United States and just the same and translated as a tricycle, general concept for all vehicles with free wheels. But for Russia it would be correct to assume Tricomi, only motorcycles having free Kolesa, and for other free-wheeled vehicles have their own names. The first steam tricycle was invented in 1790 and was called Big Cart Cunho from the name of its creator. However, at that time such a vehicle was able in 1 hour to cover the distance only 5 kilometers. It was invented for transportation of shells. Modern tricycles have rather become an element of luxury and are created as compact sports cars. Ford tricycle cannot all, as the cost may be several times higher than the cost of an ordinary car. For this reason, modern tricycles are not very popular, and for the same reason, there is a lot of homemade free-wheeled vehicles, some of which are the rage and vision. The main difference between a free-wheeled vehicle and a two-wheeled vehicle is its stability. It is known that to ride a bike and motorcycle must be able to well keep the balance, otherwise the trip on such transport will necessarily result in a fall. But thanks to the third wheel there is no need for this. The vehicle itself is constantly in balance, making it very difficult to turn even in a collision. Trikes are of two types. The most common, one wheel in front and two in middle. The so-called trikes in turn, with two wheels in front and one behind.